Like it, play it, share it, sing it, move it, check it, dedicate it. Like it, play it, share it, sing it, move it, check it, dedicate it. Go, zoom it.
हेलो गाइस, सैटरडे शाम के 6 बज चुके हैं, which means आपकी रिक्वेस्ट सुनने का टाइम हो गया है. And this is gonna happen right here on Zoom It by your very own social jockey Nikita. So without much delay, हम देखेंगे हमारी पहली रिक्वेस्ट, which is Hale Dil, and it's dedicated by Strong NP for Shivangi. And उनका message is, life becomes romantic when I start looking at someone silently. But life becomes more romantic when someone starts reading those eyes silently. I love you, my happiness. Oh my God. So don't tell me you have the art of reading someone's eyes. वैसे no wonder you're so strong. लेकिन इस गाने में I think Jacqueline को देख के किसी को भी उनकी आंखें पढ़ने का मन करेगा. Guys, have you ever thought of your love-hate relationship? Well, ये जो love-hate relationship होता है बहुत complicated होता है. I think this song is going to make it a little easier. Well, because our next request is I hate you like I love you. And let's check it out.
Hi, मेरा नाम सिमरन है और मैं ये दिल्ली बेली का गाना I hate you like I love you अपने फ्रेंड्स को डेडिकेट करना चाहता हूँ because हम बहुत झगड़ते हैं आपस में. We hate each other a lot, but then after all, in the end, we guys come together and हम एक दूसरे से बहुत प्यार करते हैं.
I think you clearly explained the meaning of this song. कि झगड़ो कितना भी, how much ever you hate a person, at the end of the day, जिसको तुम प्यार करते हो, you will come back together. Well guys, now it's time for our first retweet of the day, which happens to be by Bipasha Basu, and she tweets saying, beautiful Indian clothes sometimes make you feel like a queen. Well, I don't think sometimes, but Indian clothes truly make anyone feel just gorgeous. And अब gorgeousness की बात हुई है, तो हम जरा एक छोटा सा gorgeous सा break ले लेते हैं. आप लोग कहीं मत जाइए, मुझसे बातें करते रहिए और माइक पर हैंडल @Zoom It.
Go, zoom it. Go, zoom it.
Welcome back, guys. This is our social jockey Nikita, and you're watching Zoom It. Well, we have to check out our next request now, which happens to be Balam Pichkari, and ये song request किया है Sonal Jaan ने for Sumaira, and उनका message is, hey, I want to dedicate this lovely, colorful song to brighten you up because you're not so in your happening mood these days, and also to uplift your energy. Only music can do this. Keep smiling, my friend. Rest everything can be tackled. You know, किसी बहुत ही ज्ञानी person ने कहा है that music is the best therapy. Actually, listening to a particular kind of music can change your mindset. वैसे I can to go on and on about the benefits of music. लेकिन right now we have to focus on changing your mood, and I think वो काम ये गाना करेगा. Well, अगर अभी आप लोग का mood change हो गया हो, तो I think now it's time for a perfect bindas song. Well, let's check out our next request, which happens to be Pungi, and let's see.
Hi, मेरा नाम स्वतेजा है and I would like to dedicate Pungi from Agent Vinod to my ex-boyfriend, and I would just like him to know कि यार सचमुच तूने मेरी बहुत बड़ी पुंगी बजा दी. छोड़, जो हो गया वो हो गया, अब गाना एंजॉय कर.
I think जितना बिंदास ये गाना है, उतना ही बिंदास इनका मैसेज है, and you also seem to be quite बिंदास. तो इतनी बिंदासनेस के लिए this song goes to you. Well, now moving on from Pungi, we have a Twitter update, and let's see. It happens to be by Sonakshi Sinha, and उन्होंने tweet किया है, went to dub the trailer of Rambo Rajkumar and was welcomed by Jackie Chan. Well, imagine if that combination is actually there for real. Sonakshi Sinha and Jackie Chan. लेकिन going back, अभी real में हमारी अगली request आने वाली है, which is खुदा जाने, and it's dedicated by Tanuj to Ridipa. And उनका message is, I want to dedicate this song to my boyfriend. I love you, Shona. You are my life. I will never leave you because you are everything in my life. Hope we stay like this forever and ever. You know, whenever I get such messages ना, I feel like the air around me is turning red with love. But जो भी हो, वैसे शोना तो गर्लफ्रेंड को बोलते हैं, यहाँ पर तो कुछ उल्टा ही लगता है. Well, जो भी हो, इसका रीजन क्या है, ये तो खुदा ही जाने. Well, song after song, and now it's time for a short break. तो आप लोग कहीं मत जाए because right after the break we have more requests coming up. Keep talking to me on my Twitter handle @GoZoomIt.
Go, zoom it. Go, zoom it.
Hello again, guys. This is your social jockey Nikita, and you're watching Zoom It. Well, guys, as you know, today happens to be Kareena Kapoor Khan's birthday. और ऐसा हो सकता है कि उनके birthday पे we don't play a song for her. Well, let's check out our next request, which happens to be.
Hi Nikita, Jenny here. I want to dedicate Fevicol to Priya because whenever we play Fevicol in the car, we both start dancing like mad. So I hope you listen to this song Priya and remember all the mad times that we've had. Bye.
Imagine dancing in the car like mad on this song. That'll be fun to watch. लेकिन आप अपने वो mad moment memories से जरा चिपके रहिए. Meanwhile, Kareena's fans can stay chipko to this song. Well, now since you've enjoyed that little bit dose of Kareena Kapoor, we will move on and see our next request, which is Psycho Ray, and it's dedicated by Suhani for Riya. And unka message is, I want to dedicate this song to my childhood cum best friend Riya. Whenever I begin to miss her and want to meet her, she knows it without being informed. It's a very special bond. You know, like love. Well, अगर बिना कुछ कहे your friend knows what you want to say, I think that is called true friendship. And अगर दूर बैठे she knows when you want to meet her, I think भाई then तो it is never-ending friendship. So if you haven't turned psycho yet, we will check out our next sweet tweet, which happens to be by Neha Dhupia, and she tweets saying, "Breaky." Well, अब इनके ट्वीट को देखकर मुझे तो बहुत भूख लग रही है. And as she says breaky, we will also take a break. हम करके आते हैं थोड़ी सी पेट पूजा. आप लोग कहीं मत जाइए, तब तक मुझसे बातें करते रहिए और मैं Twitter handle @KoZoomIt.
Go zoom it. Go zoom it.
Welcome back, guys. This is your social jockey Nikita, and you're watching Zoom It. Well, moving on, we have to see our next request, which happens to be Ishq Shava, and ये dedicate किया है अंकिता ने for Abhinav. And उनका message is, I love this song. I don't understand the lyrics, but this song really attracts me. It's a great love song, and I love the vibe of this song. I would like to dedicate it to all my friends, Zoom It listeners, and especially to you, SJ Nikita. You rock. Well, so I just read the last few words of this message. Well, thank you. लेकिन एक बात तो है, this song is so rocking, guys. Imagine Shah Rukh and Katrina dancing in full swing. I wonder ये हमें वापस कब देखने को मिलेगा. So I think we should enjoy this song right now. Well, अब इसके बाद वक्त है एक और sweet tweet का, and let's see. It is by Manisha Koirala, and she has tweeted saying, "At the show." So that is a Dector Manisha at the show. Looks like she had fun. But we will also move on to our next request, which is Tum Hi Ho. The request किया है Shaya ने for Shahbaz, and उनका message is, there are some wounds that you can never completely get over, and you think that time will diminish their presence, and to a degree it does, but it still hurts somewhere in the corner of your mind, heart and brain. Oh my God, someone is really hurt. लेकिन हमारी last request of the day cannot be so sad. इसलिए Shaya, cheer up, and as I said in the beginning, music can really change your mind. तो इसलिए थोड़े बिंदास गाने सुनो and see how it's going to change your mind to an awesome mood. Well, guys, that was the last song of today. लेकिन don't be sad because I'm going to see you tomorrow, same time, same place. लेकिन जाने से पहले, I'm going to remind you once again to keep sending in your requests on apps.facebook.com/GoZoomIt, and of course your video requests too on gozoomit@gmail.com. And मुझसे बातें तो आपको करनी होंगी और my Twitter handle @GoZoomIt. This is your social jockey Nikita saying goodbye, and don't just like it, go zoom it.
Go zoom it.